Do swimming pools need a skimmer? This is a question that comes up from time to time, and the short answer is yes. So the skimmer is the rectangle that's at the water level. Usually the water level is like halfway up that rectangle. The function of the skimmer is to draw water from the surface of your swimming pool and then send that water through the filtration, heating, sanitizer, that kind of thing before it's returned to the main body of the swimming pool. You need that skimmer because even if you had adequate submerged suction outlets like main drains and things like that, so you're filtering tons and tons of water and meeting your filtration turnover for the pool, you still need a skimmer because you have floating debris. You have leaves and things like that. And if you're like, oh, my pool's inside, I don't have any leaves. Well, the thing is that when you swim, you sweat and there's makeup and hairspray and all these other things on you, and when you get in a pool, they come off of you to a certain degree and they stay in the water to a certain degree, and so you have this like floating slick of human runoff. And I wouldn't want to own a swimming pool that had no means to collect and remove that oil slick of human runoff. I would prefer to have a pool with a skimmer that could draw water from the surface level and send it through the filtration and treating system before it's returned to the pool to remove that. And that's the only exception to this. The only exception where you can get away with not having a skimmer on your pool is when you have a vanishing edge or infinity edge swimming pool, because that edge that the water flows over, that is a skimmer. In effect, it's just a giant like 20-foot wide skimmer. And in those pools you commonly wouldn't install the rectangle in wall skimmer because it's like a foot wide. What's it going to do? You got a 20-foot wide skimmer over here. The one on the wall is doing nothing and unneeded for that particular filtration and swimming pool arrangement. But that is the vast minority. The average swimming pool, from entry level all the way up to all the bells and whistles in-ground pool, needs a skimmer. In fact, you probably would benefit from having more than one. Like an entry level pool is only going to have one, but if you have anything other than an entry level pool or anything approaching medium or large size, you should be thinking about multiple skimmers. And then you should be looking at skimmers which have high flow rates like 75 gallons per minute maximum versus the more common 55 gallons per minute maximum. Like, you want a lot of flow from the surface. And if you're operating a swimming pool that has skimmers and main drains, I commonly would recommend to you, you want about 75% of your flow coming from the surface and 25% coming from the floor. So if you had skimmers and main drains, I would throttle close the main drains halfway or something like that with the valves. That way I'm getting more flow from the skimmers and a little less from the main drains, and this very unprecise method would be the way in which I would set up a system to operate that I'm getting the majority of my flow from the surface as opposed to the floor. Modern swimming pool installations are actually doing away with the underwater suction points altogether and going with just more skimmers at the surface level as the only method of suction for the swimming pool filtration system. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.